Customers could be their own worst nightmare. This is a job, we went out, we bid the job after somebody had gone out and done a leak detection. Mind you, on this job, the pool was full, it was blue, only they had a plug or two in a couple of return lines in the wall. The deck was cut. However, there was a lot of plumbing in the way, and I guess whoever did the leak detection and the previous work really didn't know what they were doing. We went out, we gave them an estimate on what it was going to take for us to come in and do those pipe repairs. 3 weeks later, so we go out, we bid the job, we get the job, schedule 3 weeks out. Again, everybody's busy right now. But here's the deal, we go back out to this job, and this is what we walk up to. So we're walking up on this fiberglass pool. That's empty. This pool's a fiberglass pool. It's got hydrostatic pressure, and look at that crack that we got down in the bottom. This was a job that we came out to bid on, where they had cut the deck and they screwed up the leak detection. So when we came out, we knew that we had a leak down here and we're gonna have to cut some pipes out of the way. However, they came in and already cut some pipes out of the way. You can see where they labeled 1, 2 on some of those pipes. But I can't take their word for it, and they kicked the contractor off the job. So we're wondering what we're up against, and again, this job changed since we started it. What we're gonna have to do is come in here, and we're gonna have to pressure test and put everything back under pressure again in order to confirm that we're even doing the right repair. So again, sometimes it's better for a customer to spend more money with the right contractor in the first place. This guy did it twice. So now we got to come in and fix everybody else's mistake, and it's just setting it up for a bad job. So somebody had drained the pool, and when they drain the pool, there's hydrostatic pressure underneath this. And again, this is a fiberglass pool. Hydrostatic pressure was not relieved. Check out the cracking that they have in the fiberglass when you look down at the bottom of this dirty bowl. Another thing that they did was they cut pipes and they labeled them. Well, again, that wasn't like that when we went out originally. So therefore, we have to literally go back to the drawing board on this one. We have to pressure test absolutely everything in the pool, which is a lot more work than what we had estimated. Why? Because again, when that deck was cut and we were looking in, we saw that we had a leak in a cracked pipe. That's what we quoted. Now that's all cut out of the way, and we don't know what pipe leads to what. We don't know. They labeled it, but I can't go by their word. I can't use what they labeled, because if I put it all back together and they labeled it wrong, well, then it's on us. So this one's going back to the drawing board. We're not touching this until we put out another bid, another estimate, and we really have to dig deep and figure out what went on with the structural down on the bottom. Hydrostatic pressure's got to get relieved. We got to get in and figure out what went wrong. If it's fixable, we'll fix it. If it's not, we're out of here. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.